Hello everyone and welcome to the NFT Moon Club. My name is Ori Manheim, aka Ori Main. I'll be your host of the most. And today I would love to discuss about a project that I discovered pretty recently, like a few hours ago, but it feels like a few days with the NFT space moving so fast. You already know. I think it has a great potential as the team is very solid, the art is very solid, and it has a unique concept for it. But before that, I would love to show you a bit about the market, what happened yesterday, as you already know. So guys, if you slept or I don't know what you did, you lived under a rock or something. What happened yesterday is two main projects that were about to launch, Berex and Divine Anarchy, got hacked. The really big one was Berex that were about to launch yesterday. They just got hacked both in their Discord and in their Twitter, so it was kind of hectic. People got scammed. Just a reminder, guys, the NFT market is crazy and it's exposed to a lot of scammers. Like, scammers are hitting DMs every day and it's really crazy out here, so you really make sure to watch out and be super cautious when minting an NFT, because these hacks are continue to happen, unfortunately, and you gotta be cautious when minting an NFT. Like, don't overrush minting, even if you're on presale and even if it's the first project that you're about to mint. And also I did a little thread about it on Twitter, so make sure to check that out as well. I have my Twitter account here called NFT Moon Club on 3 cautious steps that you must take before minting an NFT. So now that we got this straight, let's move directly to the project. So guys, the project that I wanted to show you, it's called Wobble Bug, alright? It's really interesting. It's a music-based project by an artist called Chris. His name is Chris Wookie, alright? He's a music producer. He already made some works from Selena Gomez, Miley Cyrus, and other notable artists. He has more than 1 million followers on his Spotify. Here's his Spotify. No, that's not Spotify. But yeah, I saw this artist on the WM magazine. You can see here he's done remixes for Miley Cyrus, Selena Gomez, which are featured in their main YouTube channel, which is kind of crazy. He's also co-signed by Diplo and other cool EDM artists. And he's about to launch a project. He's really been deep into the NFT space, collecting different Bored Apes and Cool Cats, and he's now dropping his unique project, which I think is gonna be sick. And let's just look at the website and see why. Like, first of all, look at the art. The artwork is very cool. It kind of reminds me like the Gutter Cats and their type of artwork. And I think it's going to be very unique. Like, it's going to be a lot of traits to it. So each item I think is going to be unique just by looking at this picture. I think it's mad undervalued right now. It's not that hyped up. I really love projects that are under-promising and over-delivering, meaning they didn't do any invite competitions or like XP gains. They just build an organic community, which is important, and it's okay. You can start slow by just sending out and then pumping the shit out of it when it comes out on secondary, alright? This is a good strategy, and it's okay to be under the radar. People can actually reward and mint in peace. Maybe there's going to be gas word in it, but I like this kind of strategy that allow people to just launch their project and build it slowly. I think this is the good key to projects that are going to do this in the long run, and this is a project I think that's going to do well in the long run. Again, this is not a financial advice, just saying my thoughts. You can see they already have their little slang in it, like, do you even wob? The first NFT music artist. So guys, what he did actually, he created a character named Wobble Bug, alright? This is not his actually stage name. He's actually an alien influencer, alright? And he's actually titled as a NFT music producer. He's one of the first guys I saw that he's called himself NFT music producer, and he actually dropped his first song on a platform called alias.com. It's really popular for like free streaming, kind of like SoundCloud, I think, and it already got big exposure there, so it's gonna be very cool. I know he's also did a song for Bored Ape Yacht Club. People are talking about it as well, so it's kind of cool to see this kind of concept, like an artist dedicating a new brand dedicated for NFT. Besides the project, it's gonna have a new stage name, so you know the music itself can blow up, and like this can help the project, of course. So yeah, let's just look at benefits. Yeah, so you can go ahead and see that if you mint the Wobble Bug, you can actually have the IP rights to it. You can vote toward Wobble Bug's career. Alright, this is a career of a new artist, and you can actually decide where it's gonna go. It's really cool. I really like the concept. It's very unique. Like, you don't see that much rare ideas. I think it's cool, and as more people that are into EDM and electronic music are gonna get into NFTs, they're gonna look at this project because he's an artist that has a reputation. He's not gonna scam people. He's gonna build it for the long run. He already has a following in the space, so that gave me a good conviction. This is one of the first thing I look at when I look into a project. All right. So again, you have VIP access, collectibles, which is also cool. Exclusive DJ streams, remix contests, and win prizes. So it's actually gave the community a drive to create their own music, like create together. I really like it. I really like art contests as well. And like this is music based, so it's also very cool to just see people doing creative stuff in the NFT community. So yeah, there isn't like a roadmap on I'm gonna do a game, I'm gonna do stuff. These guys know his field, he knows his sector, it's the music sector, he wanna evolve that to this project and to his career, which I think it's cool. So yeah, everything, so the art is cool, the roadmap is nice with different events, like there's no much detail roadmap, but it's cool. I think it has some uniqueness into it, and there are many people that are highly influential that are noticing this project already. So let's just do a quick overview of the team. This is Chris Woki, as I said, the founder, the DJ, already has more than 40k, and a lot of people that I follow are following as well. You can see Doodles, who is a project that is doing great right now. Gather Kang, Bored Ape Yacht Club, the Dodge Pound. This guy as well is also influential. Beanie Maxi is also has more than 100k followers. I guess he's already involved in their community. They already know him, so they might support this project as well. So this is the founder. Besides that, he's a music producer, as I said, so a lot of people know him, which give it an opportunity to scale for people who are not in the space yet, which is also good. Another guy is Florian. I also heard him talking in the spaces. This guy is working at Genies. Now, if you don't know what Genie is, it's a project that is like a startup, which already raised a lot of money and working with top celebrities, designing their own avatars. Right? You can see here J Balvin avatar, Offset, Cardi B, like the biggest artists in the world, collaborating with Genies, and he's like designing these avatars, which is also sick. So yeah, that also gave me a conviction. Like this guy is already working at a highly funded startup. They raised a lot of money. They are already focusing into the metaverse. They have the money to do it. They have the influence. They have a lot of celebrity in it. So I'm actually excited to see where Genius is going as well. And this guy is working there, so it's very good. This guy's name is Florian, by the way. So let's go and find another one. So yeah, this is the project manager called Nick. Nick already has a nice following. He's a full stack blockchain dev in the making. That is cool. And this is Levi, another co-founder. So the team is solid. The art is solid. The website is solid. Not a lot of people know about it. I didn't know about it until today. And I'm really glad I found it because the mint is tomorrow. I don't think there's a chance to get into pre-sale, but the public mint is tomorrow, and as it's currently undervalued, I would suggest checking it out, maybe minting. Mint price is about 0.0063 ETH, so it's kind of affordable. You can afford it, I guess, to mint at least one. Yeah, guys, let me know what you think about this project below, and I would definitely appreciate if you do subscribe to this channel. I would definitely appreciate it because I'm trying to make these videos and trying to give you all value, trying to give you from my experience, from my analytical vision. And yeah, just make sure to hit the subscribe button, follow me on Twitter, comment, let me know what you want to see next. Like, let's get it, let's build the project, let's build the Alpha Group, the NFT Moon Club. Let's go, people, let's go.